can't see all the way up here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas Day. I don't know, and it doesn't matter because we're doing this thing up. So today's video is going to be about my wedding anniversary. So normally what we like to do is like go out to eat and buy each other expensive gifts, and I just feel like, you know, I actually want to do something that's more sentimental. I didn't want to go anywhere and just go buy another watch or go buy some more jewelry or clothes or whatever. I wanted to actually do something that was more sentimental. So I felt like the best thing for me to do is make something. So I'm actually gonna head to Michael's right now to go get this thing started. Normally what we do for our anniversary, we have a dinner, like I said, share gifts, and, you know, just my mom either take the boys, or we just have, well, at the time it was really just Caden here. But each anniversary I've been pregnant. So this year is the first year that I'm not pregnant, so I actually want to do something that, you know, we both can do and enjoy, and have the boys there for a segment of it because they are a part of our journey as a couple, as a unit. And I'm thankful for my kids. And then afterwards we're gonna have another part where it's just me and him, so we can just have some time to ourselves, because we don't really get that as parents of two, and then we're young. And I really just want to, you know, show him how much I love him and I appreciate him and everything that he does, because he's a great father, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Like, I adore the relationship that he has with his sons. Like, he's so gentle, he's such a dad, he's just like, it's just, I didn't really get a chance to see that growing up, as far as, you know, that positive male role model, and seeing how they love on their boys or love on their kids. So for me, I just really love to see it. And I'm just blessed to even have a partner that loves us just with every fiber ounce in him. And I couldn't ask for or pray for a better partner, a better lover, a better friend, a better husband, a better all of the above. Like, he's when you see him, you gonna see me. Like, that's my person. Like, that's my guy, my husband. Like, he is just freaking amazing. And I just feel like, you know, I wanted to do something more personal. I didn't really want to just go out and go just buy something that anybody can go buy. I wanted to do something that has that special into it of, you know, I made this, and he knows that, because I just want him to have something personal. So I'm actually, like I said, I'm gonna head to Michael's. So what I'm gonna do is stop talking to you guys, because you know how I am. I'm not gonna talk to you guys while I'm driving, even though I did that probably for like 5 minutes now. Yeah, so I will see you in Michael's. I had completely forgot to log it, so I'm picking up these styrofoam balls. Now I'm just looking for some flowers. I wanted to do all black, but they don't have any all black ones, so I'm gonna have to figure out what I want to do with it. I specifically wanted roses, but they don't really have many of those in here, and I'm bugging out because I was like, dang, I really wanted those. So now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make this work. Yeah, we're gonna figure this out. Let's see what's on this side. Like, I really wanted something different, and I really wanted something to stand out. Let's see. I can use those, but see, these don't come with many in them. Like, I'm looking for something that has a whole bunch in them to stick in there. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I really don't know. Let's see what I can find in here and do some more flowers. Maybe they have a pack somewhere I can find. Let's go look. Let me find my glasses, because it's like... Alright guys, so I just finished grabbing what I needed in Michael's. I didn't show you guys everything because I wanted to do a big reveal on everything that I have. I'll probably even do like a quick tutorial on what I'm about to make. I don't know, it just depends, because it might take a while. But I might just show you guys my finished product of what I'm building for him. I say a lot, guys. I realize that, and it's horrible, but I'm going to go ahead and head home because I want to get started on this as soon as possible, so that way it's ready in time. I probably have to come back out to Michael's to get more. Hopefully not. I really hope I grabbed enough, but I'm gonna go ahead and go home and make him go away so he won't see why I grabbed him. So I'm just about finished, guys. I'm about to put the candy in it because the head comes off, as you saw in the beginning of the video. I did have to go back and get some more flowers from Michael's, but it's practically done. So when he gets ready to open it, I will show you guys. These are the shoes he got me for our anniversary. They're so cute. I'm sorry, guys. I had them on yesterday because I just couldn't resist them. I saw them online. I actually saw like a chocolate brown pair that matches the sweats that I showed you guys in my previous video. But I like these better because they're around like my favorite color. They're like that, I don't know, like that Yeezy color or like that military like brown, gray, green, weird mop water looking color. But I love these shoes because I had one yesterday. They're so comfortable. But now I'm going to go in the bathroom and wash my face and, you know, fix myself up for this morning. Right. Yes. Yes. Did you just shoot my baby? Don't shoot him. He don't want to be shot.
Get out your mouth. This shit's gonna be everywhere.
Yeah. So I thought those used the orange ball. So I thought those used the orange ball.
Nah, that was the blue one.
Kaden, give that to Dada. We're not chewing on those. Get me? See. Can we get those, son?
I gotta eat some more drunk food.
Your pants are huge. Hey, no mouth. Thank you. Alright guys, so the gift is finished. It's right there. And Dre is downstairs just chilling right now. I'm about to like send him upstairs, you know, just so I can see his reaction. I kind of hid the camera and we'll see what he thinks of his kiss. The head comes off and I put candy in it. I can see. And then his favorite chocolate. So yeah. Let's see what he says.
How the hell you open that shit? Oh, it's the head. Oh, shit. Hell no.
Did you put it on?
I got a whole. Listen, I hate the camera, nigga. No, you didn't.
Why is he all the way up here?
Go away.
First of all, why is he all the way up the stairs?
Go away.
Said
I got business.
You supposed to be watching your brother.
Give him my shit.
Well, I didn't put Jill in. I was like, 'cause watch. I was like, I tell him to open it. Watch you be like, ooh.
I thought I was smelling shit.
But you put it on his back.
I didn't do that.
You definitely just did that.
Hey, Darpa did that.
Babe. You.
I mean, it's not on my hand.
Yeah, I knew that was going to happen when you drug it up his back like that. Ew, why when you got chili? Ew.
I touching my stuff with your shitty back.
It's on his shirt. Ugh. It was a doodle flip. You can get him out of there.
Clean your son
Don't you
up.
put your back on the bed.
Clean your son up. I changed the last shitty diaper.
You did that though.